yummy and delicious. This mock eel dish is absolutely tasty. So tasty, so tasty. Some things are worth repeating 3 times.
If I didn't tell you, you'd never guess what this is actually made of just by looking at it in the video. Haha, the answer is the mighty or amazing eggplant. From the first time I saw the ingredients for this vegan unagi dish, I was already curious about how it would taste, and wow, it turned out to be amazingly delicious. Eggplant wash and cut half. If your eggplants are on the shorter side, you can skip cutting them in half. Peel the eggplant completely. You can even peel it before having it if that's easier. Just steam the eggplant for about 10 minutes until soft and about 70 to 80% cooked. That's perfect. After steaming, slice the eggplant open lengthwise and fan it out. Now make shallow cuts like I'm doing here without slicing through the base. The eggplant will be soft and delicate, so take it easy when scoring. Just a gentle swipe is the trick. After cutting open the steamed eggplant, scoring it like this creates a texture just like eel. Seasoning sauce, 1 tablespoon vegan oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons water. The dry noodle sauce I'm using already has dark soy sauce and sweetness, so remember to add dark soy sauce and sugar to create a slightly sweet glaze. Pour the mixed sauce into the pan and bring it to a boil. Toss in the steamed eggplant and let it braise gently. This is where it absorbs all that deliciousness. Grab a spoon and coat the eggplant thoroughly. Every bite deserves that saucy goodness. The eggplant's pre-cooked, so a gentle simmer is all you need. Just wait for that sauce to get gloriously thick. Good things take time. Let it bubble lazily until achieving this glossy, clingy perfection. Ta-da! Time to artfully arrange your eggplant, eel, and dig in. For a finishing touch, sprinkle white sesame seeds on top. It's all about that visual pop. The steamed eggplant's fibrous flesh mimics unagi's signature melt-in-the-mouth texture strand by strand. Pan-seared to a caramelized crust, it achieves that iconic amber crispness of grilled eel. The sweet savory glaze permeates every fiber while letting the eggplant's natural sweetness shine through. When picked up with chopsticks, it jiggles resiliently just like real unagi would. A whisper of smokiness in the finish of vegan unagi's flavor sleight of hand. Eggplants are rich in anthocyane and antioxidants, which help combat aging and prevent chronic diseases. Low-calorie yet high-fiber, just 25 calories per 100 grams, supporting good health and digestion. Eggplant packed with vitamin P rutin to strengthen capillaries and reduce bruising. With 20% more potassium than bananas, it's nature's blood pressure regulator. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 5,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. I'm truly grateful to friends who shared their thoughts on my use of names like vegetarian fish or vegetarian chicken for plant-based dishes in my videos. I've reflected on this for a long time and would like to share my perspective. These names are simply meant to help meat eaters understand and accept vegetarian food more easily, as the dishes are still fundamentally made from plant-based ingredients like tofu or wheat gluten. As long as one does not cling to the idea of actual meat or harbor any intention of killing, it does not contradict the essence of vegetarianism. Buddhism teaches that a pure mind brings purity to all things. What truly matters is the intention behind the practice, not the surface-level naming. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.